पाकिस्तान को अब इस हकीकत को तस्लीम करके हिंदुस्तान के अंदरूनी मामलात में दखल अंदाजी से बाज आना चाहिए। वजारत खारजा के तर्जुमान ने इन बातों का इजहार किया। दफा 370 हटने के बाद पाकिस्तान की जानिब से उठाए गए कई इकदाम पर वजारत खारजा के तर्जुमान ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान रद्दमल जाहिर किया। वजारत खारजा के तर्जुमान रवीश कुमार ने कहा कि इस मसले पर हिंदुस्तान ने पहले ही कई ममालिक से रब्ता किया है। वजारत खारजा के तर्जुमान ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान को अपने फैसलों पर नजरसानी करनी चाहिए।
Our position. You are aware that the senior officials of the government of India here in Delhi, they reached out to the ambassadors and envoys and explained our position. The same was done by our envoys, our ambassadors and high commissioners in different capitals of the world. And there have been certain contacts being made at the level of external affairs minister as well. It may not be appropriate to kind of get into specifics as to which all calls were made by whom, but I think it is important to understand that we did reach out to all the countries and all the multilateral organizations in this regard. On the statement by Taliban, I think the reaction is the same. I would not like to react to individual statements, but it is clear it is clear that what they tried to kind of project, that there is a linkage between what has happened here and something which is completely unrelated. I think this is not something which has worked. I think that is very evident. It is time for Pakistan, frankly, to accept the reality and stop interfering in internal affairs of other countries. I am unable to kind of speculate or confirm what all would be covered as part of review of bilateral arrangements. We can only urge them to reconsider those steps which they have announced. ये जो आर्टिकल 370 को लेकर हुआ वो हमारा आंतरिक मामला है और जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस है वो हमारा सॉवरेन राइट है. The rhetoric of Pakistan is something which has been seen through. They stand exposed on many counts. And third, when we have said that these are internal matters related to India, these are sovereign rights, especially the constitution part, I think that is something which they have understood. So I think it is a combination of factors. But yes, I think we do have a very, very good close partnership with all the Islamic countries at this point of time.